Hey there, Nurse Mo here, and I am going to take you inside Crucial Concepts Bootcamp, and we're going to start by looking at the very first module, which is all about how to talk like a nurse. Let's go inside. So in this first lesson in Talk Like a Nurse, we're going to learn a whole new language. We're going to go over medical abbreviations and terms covering medical conditions and the patient's history, procedures and treatments, routes of medication administration, and the timing of medications and treatments. So we dive into medical conditions and history. Here you can see just a quick glimpse of what some of those look like. There are a lot more than this. We also talk about common assessment findings. Learning these abbreviations will save you a ton of time. Not only can you take report in clinical really quickly, when you're in class writing notes, these abbreviations will come in so handy. And of course, there is an extensive downloadable workbook with all of this information in it. In the second lesson of this module, we're going to talk about communication styles, SBAR, DAR or DAR notes, and SOAP notes. And of course, there's a download that goes with that as well. And then in the final lesson of this module, we're going to talk about giving end of shift report so that you can come across as a complete professional when you're giving handoff report to another student or one of the nurses you're working with in clinical. We'll go through my 3 ingredients for success. We'll use the SBAR format, and I'll take you step by step on how to actually give report. We'll go through it in detail, and yes, there are downloads for this as well. So right now, Bootcamp is on sale for 20% off. I've got the link for that down below this video. And all you need to do is use promo code CCBWinter21 to get 20% off and some free bonuses. I hope to see you in Bootcamp.